Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. This is the day before the Thursday, so happy Thanksgiving today. This is from yesterday, last night. So just before the Black Friday deals roll out. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Walking in, we do see some toolboxes. Yeah, like I said, this is the pretty much is gonna be. I think it's gonna be closed today, and it'll be open tomorrow. So it's just before, before they close, the last day they're open. I guess before the Black Friday sale. You got some rigid vacuums here, $59.88, 16-gallon wet and dry. Those are boxes right there, and then there's the vacuum right there on the top. Then they have these workbenches, $3.98. They do have a few drawers on the top. They seem to be pretty long, and they seem to have some sort of metal mesh on the bottom. And they got these lights, these handy bright $9.97 cordless work lights. That's it right there. It says try me. I didn't see that try me when I was filming this video. You got the Delta. This for the bathrooms. The bathroom faucets, 4-inch. So they got a lot of those on sale, so pick them up if you need them. $24.88 for the electrical test kit. It's a nice little handy from Klein Tools. And you got some gloves here. Now that winter's here, we need to protect our hands, so all-purpose nitro work gloves. And then that's the gift center section. So it's a big gift center section. You got DeWalt knives, pack of 2, $14.88. We did the video, the unboxing video. If you want to check it out, it's in my channel, Toolhead147. I'll see if I can link it above. $59.88 for a 50-piece combination wrench set. Really nice set there. It's huge. This thing is pretty huge. You're going to be walking out with the big a kit there. And then you got the deadbolts here. They got a lot of sale on these, so if you guys got a shed or something, or if you guys, just want to have some extra ones, they're running pretty good deals on those. $19.97. The Hartford Project Pack. And then they got $49.88 for the electronic door lock knob combo. I have one of these in my house. Actually, I have 2 of these in my house. They work pretty good. $49.97 for the 1/2-inch torque wrench, the 3/8 torque wrench, or the 2-piece breaker bar for $19.97. The breaker bars, I do prefer the ones from Harbor Freight. They're longer. On this one, you get 2 of them, so I guess that's a plus. $9.88 for a 6-piece impact socket adapter set, and then you got the 3-piece adapter set now to the right with the extensions. That's the one with the extension, the longer one. It's a nice set there. You got the 135-piece mechanics tool set with the clear case. $69.88, 135-piece. $14.97 for 1000 lumen utility lights. That's it right there. Husky. $19.88 for a 20-piece magnetic screwdriver. And I was looking at this. It does have some precision, 3 precision screwdrivers in them, if you guys see them, right above the stubby ones. 99 cents for a 2-inch spring clamp. That's it right there. So they have it clamped up here on the box. And they have this $9.97. It's on sale. Pick them up if you need them, or some organizers. You can't have enough organizers to help you keep all your smaller tools or smaller bits organized. Got the Stanley for $16.97. The Milwaukee for $24.97. Then they have that small kit for $24.97. And that one for $49.97. 94-piece mechanics tool set. $24.97, 37 piece. And then they had this stubby. So this is good for a motorcycle, or if you don't have a lot of space, you just want to keep some tools in the car. $59.87 for the cordless ratchet. You can remove the battery, but then again, it's the cordless. For your DIY, that should be work fine. Got the 500 lumen spot and flood headlamp and the 2-pack 100 lumen pen light. So that's the 500 lumen spot, and $14.97 for the job tumbler with some gloves, some work gloves. That's it right there. So it's a nice combination there for the coffee. $9.97 for a 4-piece scraper set, and then you got the 7-piece pick set. You got that's the 7-piece hook and pick set there. Lifetime guarantee from Husky. $29.97 for 11-piece half-inch drive deep impact socket set. That's it right there. Really nice. They do come in like a rail, like a little rail system for it, so keep them organized. $19.88 for the magnetic Bluetooth water resistant speaker. That's it right there. Pretty small actually, so I wouldn't be surprised if it sounds if it sounds nice. $9.97 for the 9 3/4 aviation snips. Then you got the Crescent, the adjustable. Then you got $9.97 for 26-piece hex range sets. It's a nice set there for the $12.97 for the 3-piece adjustable wrench set. And then you got the locking pliers to the right. Adjustable. There's the adjustable. That's a pretty good deal actually for those two too. So definitely, if you guys need them, stock them up. Now that have one for each toolbox. Have a nice set for each toolbox. And then this the two-piece groove joints, $12.97. That's a nice set there. Pretty much buy one get one free because that's how much one could cost. Got the stud finder, pretty much the kit with the level and a marker and some accessories. $14.97 for 1,000. Yeah, we already went over this one. So they had. If you guys see, the Home Depot does have some repetitive. This one's a new one. 16 feet by 1.5 ratcheting tied down. So you get a 2-pack. It's really nice handle. That handle's huge, and you can fit out your hand in there and use it as a leverage. And that handle's rubber. So look at that. How thick is that? The wrench, the ratcheting part. That's a really nice set right there. Having some good quality. And then these, the Ryobi. I wouldn't recommend buying them because they're the same price. On these, $6.47 for the smaller kit. For the 20-piece, I would definitely go for the 50-piece or larger. Seems like you got some basic nut drivers or some Phillips, and then you got $7.97 for the nut drivers. You got some more Phillips and some squares, and then you got a sleeve, like a magnetic torsion sleeve there. For $7.97, which is not a bad deal. I think it's a much better deal than the other one that's for $6. So basically for another $1, $19.88 for a 120-piece drill and impact drive kit. That's a nice set there too. Pretty large. You got some drill bits to the left. You got some nut drivers there to the right, to the far right. $29.88 3-piece tool bag. It's a nice set. If you if you like doing your own DIYs, have one of these for your electricians, one for your plumbing, one for your drywall, maybe another for your mechanics. $29.88 for the 16-piece tool bag. It's a backpack. It's a nice heavy-duty rubber on the bottom. $9.88 for the 4-in-1 organizer bins. It's definitely some nice organizers there. Definitely check them out. You can put your screws and drywalls and all that. $7.97 for that those black drill bits. Never seen them before. $49.97 for the 137-piece homeowner's toolkit. Every homeowner, if you're moving into a new house or You know, if you have, even if you have an apartment, you gotta have those basic tools. 1 gallon silent air compressor, $99 from Husky. Then you got $17.97, 1/4 by 50 polyurethane. Pretty inexpensive, so definitely recommend it if you're a DIY. If you're a professional, I would stay away from this one. But it's good for the house though. $22.97, 12 volts. Unless you're in a tight budget, if you're a professional, I mean, it should work fine for a little while to start getting some nicer ones. You got the wall outlet or the car for that. That $149 for the 290 piece mechanics. It's all gone. It's a nice set there. $49.97 for the 94 piece mechanics tool set. It's a nice set there with the longer sockets. Then you got the Ryobi 70 piece impact rated. I believe $12.97. So that's there to the right. That's the price. So you do got some nut drivers, some socket drivers, and magnetic sleeve. Impact driver, drill driver with 2 batteries, $139. It's a lot better deal than just buying the tool by themselves for $99, which I think it's a little high on price. So I would definitely check out that $139 deal. Got the Diablo $29.88. I will definitely go for this one. That's a dollar, basically a little bit more than $1 a piece. So that's a great deal. And then they got this $69 rapid open folding workbench. It's a really nice workbench. They do have it on display on the back, carrying 3 concrete bags there, pretty much. $9.97 for the 14 piece, the black and gold. So that's a good deal. Pick up a few of these, you know, have some extra ones. And they got another one here, $9.97. A 30 piece max fit. And then you got some nut drivers there, a magnetic sleeve, $9.97. So you got some great deals. $159 for this one. This one does come with 2 batteries, 2 regular size batteries. That's why it's a little higher in price. $149 for the impact driver drill driver for the Atomic. I think that's a good deal too. They do come with real small batteries, 1.3 amp hour, I believe. 16 piece spade bit set. Diablo, 1988. And then you got the saw there for $99, the Atomic, the smaller compact saw. Got the drill driver there at the bottom. You got the precision point 16 gauge brad nailer, $79. It's really nice. It's actually an 18 gauge, my bad. So they got some good deals. And then they got the DeWalt 25 feet twin pack, $14.88. So 2 tapes included for the price of $114.88. Guys, the max fit 35 piece with the right angle attachment. Definitely get it. If you guys could find that, go get it. On this side, it was gone. It was sold out. There's different stores I've gone to that they don't have any at all. They're all sold out. So if you're lucky in finding it, get it, because that thing by itself, it's $17. So you got the free buy one get one free for Empire, $9.98, the 9-inch magnetic level. And then you got the 24 and the 48 for $24.88. It's a really nice set there from Empire. And then that's the right angle that I was telling you guys about. That by itself, it's almost $18. If you buy the kit, it's actually $14.88, and with the bits and the right angle attachment. So definitely check it out. If you need it, grab it, because you're not gonna see it again. So you got the 2-pack of folding knives to the left, and then you got the 13-in-1 multi-tool for $9.88 on both, your choice. $24.97 for some Gerbers, and $19.97 for some knives. That's the Gerber knives and the machete, and then that's the multi-tool. $19.97 for the 2-pack 10-inch 60-tooth blade. So that's a nice set there. Definitely pick it up and stock up if you're professional. If you're a DIY, stock them up. Atomic, $99. You got the impact driver, $99. Then you got the Milwaukee section here, 70 piece. You got a nice complete set there for $988. Very inexpensive with the TikTok on the side. TikTok case, $24.97. The red Helix, 23 piece. They're all sold out. $179 for the Fuel M12 two-tool combo. That's a good deal, $179. And then $99 for each tool by itself with the battery charger. And then $19.97 for the 430 lumen dual color headlamp. And then they got the 2-pack 440 lumen. And then $14.88 for the 6-pack 40 lumen accent combo. That's a nice light, so you can put it under the cabinets or behind the TV or something like that. Then they have this rolling stool for $9.98. I haven't seen this before. I never seen this before. So I was just surprised to see it. It was just hiding back there behind with those Stanley boxes. And yeah, they did have some, like I said, $14.88, that right angle attachment. Make sure you guys pick it up. That's the way it looks like. Pick it up if you need it. You'll thank me later. That's a really handy device, especially if you don't have the room to put in a screw. You know, pop that little guy in there and to your drill, and then just put it in there or drill in there. We got that 30 piece, and then $19.97 for the 8-piece screwdriver set, Milwaukee, 16-1 combination. That's for some nice screwdrivers there. Then they had $19.88 for the cargo management system. They include a lot of stuff in there. Actually, I was pretty surprised. All the stuff, it says ratchet tie downs. You got some cargo nets, all kinds of stuff. Bungee cords, ratchet tie downs, cargo net, toe straps, canopy, tarp, bungees, mini bungee cords, all kinds of, and it tells you how many it's included on that kit. It's just not too bad, you know. It's just a starter kit. It's not really a survival kit. Then you got this nice toolbox. It's a matte black, really nice, $7.98. It's a 51.8 inch, 21.5 in depth drawers. So that's a really nice. And then they had this one with the side locker and the hood. So that's the side locker. It's a really nice matte black matte finish there. And then they have the self-closing. Then they have the hood there. That's a really nice set there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. I'll try and make another video. Go to Home Depot this Friday, see if we're gonna get any better deals on this, or are there any smoking deals. I'll let you guys know. Stay tuned for the latest and greatest deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.